Hello students, this video is from Mama Mary Miscellaneous YouTube channel, Unit 1 Prose, His First Flight by Liam O. Fahati. So you have in-text questions, book back questions, detailed questions and the vocabulary part. So I have given a detailed the answers for everything. Please take your English classwork, write neatly to learn well for the exam. So you have in-text questions. I just scroll it down, just see and write. Few questions are small and few questions are little big. So you have totally J, up to J, okay, IJ. Next, answer the questions in the sentence or two, that is book back questions. You have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, if you think that I am scrolling it very fast, please pause, stop the video and then write neatly. Okay. Next we have detailed question. So this is the way you have to write your detailed question. Describe the struggles underwent by the young seagull to overcome its fear of flying. You have the answer. Number 2 is here. Then we will start the vocabulary part. All these are vocabulary. Let me write it here. vocabulary. Vocabulary. Okay, so this is the vocabulary part. Take your textbook and write it. No need to write it in the classwork. So till the detailed question you write it in the classwork. This and all you can write it in your textbook. You may not have place in the textbook. When you have no place in the textbook to write the answer, you can copy it. You have to write the lesson name up, His First Flight. Then read the following sentences and change the form of the underlined words as directed as a D. After writing this, you have to write the question and the answer. All the questions are very, very important. Okay. It is parts of speech. Yeah, I think they have given something. Parts of speech. Grammar. Okay. So write and take. Again, few words are given. You need to write the sentence for that. After that, you can write this in the classwork. This is you have to write in the classwork. Write a report of the following events in about 100 or 120 words. Question itself is too big, but very, very important question for the public exam. So this is report writing. Answer is here. How do you have to write the report? Okay. Number 2 is here. Number 3. That's it. Okay. So hope it's clear. Am I right? Thank you for watching. Keep learning. Never stop learning. Never stop growing. Never stop searching for a brighter star. Thank you.